weird that I'm doing a pet product video in my laundry room, but this is the FurZapper. You add it to the laundry. It's sticky and squishy. You add it with your laundry to remove more pet hair than your washer dryer normally would on its own. Now this actually just won the new product showcase at Super Zoo this year in 2018. So that's why I wanted to try it. So a few things though, I'm just going to show you, like this is one of our cat beds, and although it's dirty, you can see some hair on it, not a whole lot. And the reason for that is because I'm just going to throw some laundry in here while I'm talking to you guys. The reason for that is because they recommend one FurZapper per pet, and we have 5 cats and 2 dogs. So in order to be like really effective on our laundry, we would need 7 of these, and I currently have 2 of them. So I'm doing smaller loads, help with more water. You don't want to use light water. There needs to be plenty of water in here for that to work. If you have a top loading washer like I do, you put your clothes in first, then throw your FurZapper in. Start the laundry like you normally would. Now I use a homemade powder laundry detergent. So if you use a commercial product, different soaps and chemicals that they use in that can cause a film over your FurZapper. I haven't noticed that with mine. I'll show it to you when it comes out of the wash. The washing machine is done. Here is my FurZapper here. It looks exactly the same. No harm to it in the washer at all. I am going to pull the clothes out and stick them in the dryer and throw my FurZapper right in there with it. Now, as I mentioned, I have 2 FurZappers because we have lots of pets. You can see the hair on here a little bit. Some is stuck to the FurZapper. Some has washed down the drain. So I'm going to start this in the dryer now. I do want to show you that I have cleaned out my lint trap, so there's nothing in there. These are, reusable and hypoallergenic, so they're certainly better for the environment than, say, a dryer sheet. Speaking of dryer sheets, you should not use dryer sheets with these. They leave kind of that soft film on everything, and obviously it's going to be harder to remove dog hair when you have that soft film over it. So no dryer sheets, and these are self-cleaning, so you don't have to worry about, the dog hair you'll see that was on there just a second ago. You will see that it's going to be off when the dryer's done. All right, the laundry is done, so I'm going to take out one of those cat beds, and you can see we don't have any hair on it, so that's good. And now I'm going to check my lint trap, and you can see on the corners of my lint trap here, see all the hair that's gathered up there, and on the back side of the lint, look at all, that's all hair on the back side here. So this is why we use the FurZapper. Definitely it doesn't get every single piece of hair off of your clothing, but it certainly does a better job than just your washer and dryer alone. You can get one FurZapper for $10.99. A better deal is to get the 2-pack, which is what I had for $14.99. If you guys have any questions about the FurZapper itself, so here's mine. You can see it's got a little bit of lint and hair stuck to it, but all you have to do is run it under some hot water with a little bit of dish soap, and you can clean that right up. So if you guys have any questions, email me, Samantha@topdogtips.com. Thanks for watching this review.